This is the cumulonimbus, also known as the king of clouds. Through human history and culture, this cloud has been the epitome of imagination. The gods have made their homes in it. Superheroes fly among them. The aliens attack from them. And sometimes you see shapes in them. But today, the king of clouds is up against a new usurper. This one doesn't exist up in the sky. It exists on the virtual plane. Welcome to cloud computing. And here are our top 5 reasons to get into cloud computing. Cost effective. The need to set up an independent IT infrastructure can be crippling with the cost and the manpower involved. Cloud computing virtually solves that problem with its SaaS and IaaS products. While software as a service has refined its services and deployment capabilities to a near flawless level, infrastructure as a service is catching up pretty quickly. Together, they cut down your infrastructure and human resource costs to a bare minimum. Global scale. If internet is the virtual sky we created, then clouds are where the magic is. It could be a service or infrastructure requirement or something as simple as accessing files on the go. The cloud is ever present and available. Its natural enemies live deep in the Pacific Ocean. Performance. If you're looking for cutting-edge performance with a fraction of cost, then look no further. Cloud has already set itself up as an alternative. It's just as good, cheaper, and more effective than traditional IT setups. Productivity. With traditional IT setup, you need constant human resources for setup, support, and deployment. Cloud computing virtually erases most of these processes. Human resources can be more productive, solving business solutions than constantly providing support services. Expanding industry. It is a huge industry dominated by a few major players. At this point, it looks like the wild west of the new technologies. With more and more industries and individuals opting for SaaS and IaaS products, this industry is headed towards Cloud 9.